And this is the main event of Campus versus Pasig City. Gillian Palace with the leather against Bajenting. Driving to the middle, the fire short. 2 shots for Gillian Palace. The first throw. First blood. Final free throw. Palace. Another one. Pass it to Pellegrino. Pellegrino at the top. The crossover. Pinakitaan agad. Spinning. Fakes. Dalawa sumabay. Step throw. Rejected nga lang. Fakes. Another fake fire. Pellegrino first on the free throw. It's good. Final throw for Pellegrino. Another one. Sumisinyas. Signaling the play. Goes to the middle. And the pass. Bautista. Bautista. Dumistansya. Umatake. And fire. Short. Rebound. Oh, cleaning his own mess. To Bajenting. Bajenting. Long pass. Number 13. Pass to number 12. Senoria. Pass it back. Another Senoria. Fourth way. Short. Rebound for off campus. Davao. Fourth way. Bang! The nets! For the inbound for team off campus. Now looking for the receiver. High pass to Baterbornia. Too strong. Poke away. Recover by Bajenting. Here comes number 13 for team off campus. Bounce pass. Baterbornia posting up. Ihahatid. Ball poke away is stolen by Del Pozo. Gillian Palace. Nakalusot. Gillian Palace slowly dribbling the ball. Decided to take it easy. The crossover. The attacks. The fakes to the middle. Open. Fires. No. Oh, the lucky bounce. For team off campus. Bulasa coming in. It's against Del Pozo. Iniwan si Del Pozo. Drives it straight to the host. Minekos pa. Bulasa at the free throw area. First throw. It's good. The last throw for Bulasa. Oops. And completing the 2 points free throw. Pellegrino. With the left wings. Fires a 3. Bang! Basket and 1. And here's number 1, Cinco. Pass it to the middle. Pass to the right. The attacks. Goes to the corner. Oh, stolen by Pellegrino. Pellegrino, tinignan pa yung kung nasaan yung bantay. And that's good. Recover by number 16. And it's Navera. Navera goes to the middle. He stops, kicks it out. Pull up J3. Bang! Nothing but the net. And the pass. Here's Cinco. Behind the back dribble. He stops. Crossover. Drives. Rejected. And that's the end of the first. Oh, bumasok. Sayang. And here's number 7. Bulasa open. Fires a 3. Bang! Bulasa. Del Pozo no look pass. Ball is stolen. Number 14. For team of campus. Davao. The drives. Floater shot of yes sir. Palace against number 9. Palace behind the back. Kicks out. Fires a 3. No. Fight for the rebound. Goes to team off campus. Davao is spinning. Tanod-tanod. The pass. Oh, lumipad! Grabe yun. Looking for the receiver. That's Bulasa. Bulasa sharing the play. Goes to the screen. Deep 3. No. Rebound. Senoria. Sinos. Oh! The sauce. And here comes Team Pasig. Lamang na ng dalawang team of campus. Number 14. 25-23 up by 2. 4 team. Play Sears Baterbornia challenging. Oh! Recover. Fakes. Palace. Bumalik. Floater. That's good. Ties the game. And we are tied at 25. Pass it back. Bulasa the crossover. The drives. Oh! Poke away. And here you go. Del Pozo. Bam. Fire off the window. That's good. Palis against number 13. Behind the back. Decided to take it easy. The drives. Dalis. Ang ganda namang move nun. Palis. Del Pozo against Cayetano. Deep three. Bang! Nothing but the net. It's Badgenting. Palis goes to the screen. Open. Fires a three. Bang! Another three. 40. Badgenting. The pass to the left side. Bulasa, pass to Pellegrino for 3. Bang! The answer! Palis cross the mid lane. Palis attacking the defense. Hook shot, no! Pellegrino in hurry. Guarded by the big man. No! Ang lupit mo, Pellegrino! And we are tied at 35. Palis straight to the hoops. May foul. First throw on Palis. It's good. Final free throw, Palis. Another one. Oop! Nagulat, Del Pozo. The pass, inside, left-handed, floater. Palis with the finish. Abaw. And here's Pellegrino. The pass, Bulasa. Inside pass, the lampas, and the finish. Sanoria. Palis, pass to the middle. Picks, fires off the window. That's good. Pellegrino. Crossover move. Stops and pass to Cayetano. To the corner for 3. Bang! 3 points. Sigan. Palis. Palis. At the middle. Looking for Del Pozo. The bounce pass. Nakalusot. Lay. So harap-harapan kay Butterbornia. Pellegrino. Goes to the screen. Fires at 3. No. Bite for a rebound. Rebound for Sanoria. Sanoria. Looking for Pellegrino. Pellegrino. Stops and pass. Cayetano for 3. Won't go. Rebound for team the Generals. Pasig. Palis. Palis. Goes straight to the hoops. The lace and yes sir. Palis signaling the play. Against Sisigan. Palis goes to the left wings. Pass it to Bautista. Bautista, Del Pozo against Bulasa. Attacks the lace. Basket and one.
It's good for Russell Del Pozo.
Del Pozo for completing the 3-point play. It's good. Palis against Sisigan. Pass it to the middle. Del Pozo for 3. Short. Butterbornia the rebound. Bulasa. Bulasa against Del Pozo. This oop. Recover. Fires rejected from the back. Butterbornia won't go. Another one. Another one. Oh, their chance is good. Pozo. Del Pozo. Bam. Inbound. Bounce pass na libre. Yung pala yung binubulong niya kanina. And here you go. Team Davao. High pass. Sister. Drives, pick, fires off the window. That's good. And it's Sanoria. Sanoria taking it easy. And crossover. Bulasa fix. Oh, step through. Oh, the friendly roll by Taparan. Coronel. Long pass. Open na open si Loxin. And another back to 2-point lead. Now at the top. Screen by Butterbornia. Cayetano for 3. Bang! For 3. Badgenting. Stops, open, fires. Oh, the friendly roll. Palang nakaka-score sa fourth quarter. And it's Palis. Palis. Pass to Loxin for 3. No. Rebound by Henting. The chance to lead the game. Butterbornia against Del Pozo. Sinausaw! Del Pozo. Del Pozo. For 3 for the lead. No! Pellegrino! Rejected my foul. 2 free throws in for Pellegrino. Technical. And the first throw. And completing. 14 of Campos, Pellegrino straight to the hoops, reverse layup, no, Butterbornia for the save! Ito papasigaw na lahat. Fires at 3. Short. For the inbound, Pellegrino. Pinasa sa malayo. And the pass, the lace. Foul na naman. 9-point lead for team of campus. Fires at 3. Short. And Sanoria to Bajenting. Pass to Pellegrino. Inside pass, Sanoria kicks out. Bajenting for 3. No. Rebound para dito kay 5. Binit to the hoops. That's good. Down to 7-point lead. Team of campus, Bajenting. Butterbornia fix. That drives, reverse line. Oh, what a move! Inbound, Pellegrino, bounce pass, Bajenting against Navera, behind the back dribble, the bump, the bounce pass, one-on-one Coroner versus Butterbornia, spin, pick, footwork rejected. And here's Palis, behind the back, nakalusot, binitbit Minegos, rejected! Pellegrino, Cayetano rejected. Tapalan ng laban. Crossover, big spins. Coronel, the drives, the bump, the fake. No look pass, lays, basket and 1. Palis for completing the 3-point play. It's good. The friendly roll. Team Davao of campus to Pellegrino for 3. Bang! The net! Plaza, 7-point lead for team of campus, 76-69. 5 goes to the screen, goes inside, the lace of the window, that's good. Butterbornia, pass to Pellegrino, behind the back dribble, bump, and almost stolen. And Rui recover, Pellegrino binitbit, kicks out, wide open, Sisigan, no! Rebound Butterbornia, the bump, bang shot is good! And here's Navera, the corner for 3. Bang! The nets! Pellegrino against 5. 78-74, 4-point lead. Here's Bulasa, the attacks, pass it to Sisigan, Bulasa, drives, inside, lace of the glass, basket and 1. 2 minutes and 15 seconds left for the final quarter. Hold your breath. 5, kicks it out, fires at 3. No, short. Butterbornia the rebound. Pellegrino against 5. Last 2 minutes. Pellegrino, pass to Butterbornia, is stolen. Here's Navera. Navera nagmamadali, the bump. Fire, CC2. Down to 4. Bulasa. And kicks out. Nice, stolen by, and the pass, Navera. Another finish, back to Navera. Down to 2 points. Against Palis. Pellegrino. Now at the top. Setting the play, the crossover, lost the handle. Recover. Pass it to Bulasa. Bulasa, the attack, the bump, the fake, Pinoy step of the window, na good. Follow-up shot is good! Sanos Del Pozo, the pass, nauna na dito si 5, tinignan pa yung bantay, basket is good! 43 seconds left, 2-point lead for Team Davao. Butterbornia cross the mid lane, waiting for Pellegrino. Oh, my foul. 36.6 seconds. Bulasa, Pellegrino is spins, nakalusot, the pass, and stolen, and the pass, and a chance to tie the game. And the long pass, and Del Pozo, the pass, oh, libreng ties the game! Oh! Shot clock 6 off for the inbound. Bulasa to Butterbornia, pass to Pellegrino, nilusutan yung dalawa. Setting the play, 13 seconds left, last 10 seconds. For the win! No! Rebound for the Generals. 3 seconds. Oh, no foul! My foul! 0.8 seconds remaining. 82 all. A chance to win for the inbound Palace. And the corner open. Look! Bam! For the win! For the win! Wow! Natalo of Campus!